Is it too late to invest in Bitcoin? That's a question new investors in the crypto space have because they don't want to be at the end of the buying cycle. Well, just to put some of this bullet run in perspective, you have people like Michael Saylor, who's invested over $650 million in Bitcoin. And that's a publicly traded company on NASDAQ. So that goes to show you that this is just the very beginning of an onslaught of investors, and the flood of influx of institutional and retail investors is going to be coming, and it's going to be coming hard. I recently listened to one of his interviews, and he predicted that Bitcoin could potentially hit $15 million. He had a really interesting theory in saying that Bitcoin will absorb money energy. He compared it to Facebook absorbing social energy. He says if we can export gold and all these other inflationary assets into Bitcoin, potentially it can surpass the gold market cap, and we could be looking at a $15 million price per Bitcoin. Now, I'm not making that prediction. I'm just passing on information from Michael Saylor, who again has invested over $650 million in Bitcoin. Now, in addition to Michael Saylor's dramatic investment, the world's wealthiest person, Elon Musk, recently changed his Twitter bio to say Bitcoin. So I don't know about you, but if the world's richest person is telling you Bitcoin is an investment vehicle, I would pay close attention. They might know a thing or two about finance. But besides that, Elon Musk is also quoted in saying that Bitcoin was inevitable. He's also going to be moving Tesla Cash and SpaceX Cash into Bitcoin. I don't think he's going to do all of his cash, but he's going to have some of his cash reserves and some of his major companies in the Bitcoin. That is absolutely mind blowing considering how far the Bitcoin space and crypto community has come in the terms of worldwide adoption. Now, it's no secret that the cryptocurrency space in general right now is in a full swing bull run, with Bitcoin pioneering all cryptocurrencies by having the largest market cap. Now, Bitcoin is getting a lot of global attention, and so will all the other cryptocurrencies, also known as altcoins. They're also getting a ton of eyeballs right now. And with all of this attention, you are sure to see continuous price increases in Bitcoin. Now, I do think that Bitcoin is going to be a long term play and will eventually absorb inflation from all of these deflationary currencies like the US dollar and other global markets. And with the stock market not looking very promising, with quarterly reports hurting, however, the stock market is increasing because of all this money printing that the government's doing. It's very eerie right now in the stock market. And I would be very suspect to see, with businesses all over the world hurting, how accurate those earning reports are and how much of it has been funded by the Federal Reserve. Now, without getting into that topic specifically, everything is kind of amalgamating to really push Bitcoin into new heights. And I think this is going to be a continual increased asset since it does have a limited supply. It's literally the internet of gold. And so being able to have a limited supply of that is absolutely mind blowing. And with so many eyeballs now on Bitcoin, I think this is the perfect entry point in getting into Bitcoin. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just stating some of the news that's happening around cryptocurrency. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, be sure to check out this channel, Crypto News, as I bring daily top stories in the cryptocurrency space directly to your phone.